Let's spend a little bit of time going over how the course is set up in Canvas. So when you first log into Canvas, you'll see inside the course is an introduction, which includes my email address, talks a little bit about the course, and some of the first tasks you should work on. In addition, you'll see another list of tasks over on the right-hand side of the screen about assignments that are coming due with their due dates. Please note that assignments are usually due at 11:59 on the date that they're due. In addition, due dates tend to be on Saturdays for many assignments, but except for discussion assignments. Discussion assignments require that you post additionally during the week before the final due date, but I'll talk more about that in just a second. You can then click on a list of announcements if you want to see all the announcements that have been posted in the course, which includes relevant dates and assignments that are coming due. There's a syllabus, the set of modules. You can check your grades and how you're doing in the course. The last two things is there is 24-hour online tutoring available through NetTutor, and then a list of all the discussion boards where you can go to post. Let's talk about the syllabus first. If you click on the syllabus link, there's a copy of the syllabus. In addition, it's got a list of all the due dates and all of the assignments that you'll see in the course. Because this is a summer course, we are covering about 2 to 3 chapters every week, so the course is going to move very, very quickly. So you're probably going to have to invest a significant amount of time. I would suggest you're probably talking about 6 to 9 hours a week in the course at a minimum. Okay, when you open the syllabus, and this should be your main source of information in the course, you'll see a table of contents that gives you information about the textbook, contact information for the course, grades, and the course schedule, and then a more detailed description including the 4 things I expect you to learn in the course, how to contact me, what kinds of information to include when you send me an email, such as your name, your course number, and your course section. In addition, it does help me if you include screenshots if you're having any problems in the course or what you're seeing on your end. You can buy a copy of the textbook, which is pictured here. This copy of the textbook is about $101. That includes a registration code that you'll need for completing the online homework. Alternatively, you can buy an electronic book using the link that is here. That includes the registration code and an ebook for $65. Lastly, you can rent a textbook, but then you'll have to buy the Inquisitive registration code, which is $20. Okay, so of course, you're already inside Canvas, so you've already seen a lot of this information, but in case you forget how to log into Canvas, there's information right here, information about how to do well in the course, and then your grades. I'm sure you're all curious about how grading is determined in this course. So there really are 4 kinds of assignments you're going to work on. There are the Inquisitive homework assignments, which is like a video game testing software that tests your understanding of the reading. Since the majority of the course and the course content is going to be delivered through the textbook and short video lectures, the Inquisitive homework will help you to apply the concepts that you've read in the book. Second, there are some discussion and reflection assignments where you'll take concepts that we've talked about in class and you will apply them. Your primary responses for discussion boards are usually due on Thursdays of each week, whereas then you'll respond to other students in the class, and those are due on Saturdays. So please note that you're going to have to log into the course multiple times each week. If you have any vacations or travel plans or work schedules that make that difficult, you need to try to arrange that schedule. The modules are open from Sunday morning until Saturday night. So you've got 7 days to work on them, and you can post at any time during that period. Third, there are exams. These exams are due always on Saturdays. They're multiple choice tests that cover the reading and the lecture material. They're not timed. You can use your textbook. You can work in groups. You can use Quizlet, anything you want to try to do well on those exams. Lastly, there is a final project, which is an annotated bibliography. I'll talk more about that as we get closer to the course end, but that's about 200 of the 1,000 points in the course. Okay. There are grading rubrics, so if you want to see how you're going to be graded on various assignments, here's the bibliography grading rubric. On the next page are grading rubrics for the reflection assignments and for the online discussion grading rubrics. All of these reflection grading rubrics and online discussion rubrics assume that you have taken material from the reading and you've applied it in your reflection or in your online post. So please make sure that you're reading the stuff that I've assigned to you and you're using it in your responses. Lastly, what you'll see is a course schedule that goes week by week, listing every module that's due and what assignments are present within that module. Please take a look at that. If you have any questions about the course schedule, please let me know. Okay, let's go back to the modules. When you click on modules, what you'll see is a list of all the modules that are currently available. Now right now all you can access is module 0, which is just getting you comfortable with the course. There are 3 assignments in there: a getting to know you, an inquisitive how to use it, and a syllabus quiz that tests your understanding of the syllabus that you've read. After you finish that, you'll be able to complete modules 1 and module 2. In each module, what you'll see is an introduction. So when you click on it, it'll open up. There'll be a short set of information, including learning outcomes, and usually a short video or set of video lectures that I've provided for you. In almost all the modules, you're going to find discussion assignments. You can access them from the modules, like I've shown you. So you can click on the Getting to Know You discussion right here, and it will open up. Alternatively, you can go to the discussion board by clicking here on the side, and you'll see all of the modules for discussions that are currently open. If you have any questions, please send me an email.